The Ramsar Convention is an international treaty for the conservation of which one of the below? Wetland. Eutrophication in freshwater bodies is most directly caused by an excess of which nutrients? Nitrogen and phosphorus. Which is a secondary pollutant present in photochemical smog? Peroxyethyl nitrate. Which is not considered one of the 4 major diseases caused by pollution in Japan? Kawasaki disease. The Cartagena Protocol on Biosafety came into force in which year? (2003). Ecological pyramids always begin with which one of the following at the bottom? Producers. Which is the most potent greenhouse gas? Sulfur hexafluoride. A partially enclosed coastal body of water formed where freshwater from the land meets with salt water from the ocean is called? Estuary. Which international agreement aims to limit global temperature rise to below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels? Paris Agreement. Which one of the below diseases is caused by severe mercury poisoning? Minamata disease. The global sum of all ecosystems is called? Biosphere. The Kyoto Protocol is an international environmental treaty to reduce which one of the below? Greenhouse gas emissions. Who popularized the term global warming? Wallace Smith Broecker. What term describes a species that plays a critical role in maintaining the structure of an ecosystem? Keystone species. A permit that gives the holder the right to emit a set amount of carbon dioxide or other greenhouse gases is called? Carbon credit. Any substance that causes cancer is known as? Carcinogen. What is the main form of nitrogen that plants can directly absorb from the soil? Nitrate. Which chemical is a common ozone-depleting substance regulated by the Montreal Protocol? Chlorofluorocarbons. Acid rain is primarily caused by emissions of sulfur dioxide and which other pollutant? Nitrogen oxides. Which was the first biosphere reserve in India? Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. The statistical study of human populations is called demography. Which one of the below is a set of standards related to environmental management systems in organizations? ISO 14000. Who is the author of the book, The End of Nature, published in 1989? Bill McKibben. The Montreal Protocol is an international treaty adopted in 1987 to protect which one of the below? Ozone layer. What is the term for species that are introduced to a new habitat and cause harm to native species? Invasive species.